Today, we're diving into information science. It's a field that is quietly but totally shaping our future.
So, to really get this, we've got to start with a basic question. When I say information science, what's the first thing you picture? Go on, think about it.
A lot of people probably think of dusty books, right? But the reality, it's so much bigger now.
These institutions are now ground zero for the fourth industrial revolution. Yeah, really.
We're talking robotics, AI, big data. It's all connected. The field touches everything now.
But, to see where all this is heading, you gotta look back at where it started.
Let's look at 19th century Egypt and its massive irrigation projects. The records left behind are incredible.
And that's really the core mission, right? Organizing human knowledge, no matter what form it's in.
Okay, so let's jump to today. That same mission is now meeting a tidal wave of data.
And this is where data science comes in. It's giving us brand new tools for that classic job.
So the goal hasn't changed, but the tools, they're on a completely different level now.
So how are scientists actually using these new tools to make sense of, well, everything?
One way is with something called bibliometrics. It's basically mapping out the world of research.
For example, one study found papers on research data management peaked in 2019, with 88 published.
And that same study, it showed the US is a huge leader in this super important new field.
Okay, big picture stuff is cool, but what about the real-world impact? How does it help people?
Let's head to Sohag University in Egypt. Researchers there asked a really practical question. How'd they do it? Simple. They just asked people, using surveys for both staff and faculty.
And you can see the impact. Another study found their journals produced over 4,000 articles.
Wow.
So what's the bottom line? When knowledge is organized, it actually drives real progress and innovation.
So from those 19th century blueprints to today's big data, the mission is exactly the same.
The tools have totally evolved, but that core goal, organizing knowledge, is more vital than ever.
So in this world, just overflowing with data, who's going to build the maps we all need to navigate it?